Have you ever tasted a dish and felt like something was missing? Not bad, just not quite right. What if the solution wasn't more salt or more seasoning, but just one simple ingredient? Lemon. Lemon isn't just sour, it's powerful. It adds acidity, and acidity is what makes food taste alive. It enhances flavors, balances richness, and brings out the best in every ingredient. That's why many chefs say, the difference between a good dish and a great one is often just a squeeze of lemon. Great cooking is all about balance. Sweet, salty, bitter, and sour. Lemon provides that sour element, and it ties everything together. Add it to creamy pasta, and it cuts through the heaviness. Add it to vegetables, and suddenly, they pop. It doesn't overpower, it completes. Using lemon is simple. Add it at the end of cooking to keep the flavor fresh and bright. Use it in marinades to tenderize and add depth. Mix it with oil and salt for an instant dressing. Or add a small squeeze to soups, sauces, or heavy dishes to bring everything into balance. Just remember, a little goes a long way. And as a bonus, lemon is actually good for you. It's rich in vitamin C, supports digestion, and can help you rely less on salt or fat for flavor. So the next time your cooking feels like it's missing something, don't reach for more seasoning. Try adding lemon. It might be the simplest upgrade your food has been waiting for.
That's it for today's ingredient spotlight. If you enjoyed this episode, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe to the channel for more ingredient spotlights. This is Chef Jade. See you in the next spotlight.